Hi everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. If you like my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. So in this episode, I'd like to show you Copilot in a SharePoint page. So let's create a new page. I'll go to the new and choose page. Let's choose the basic template, or we can even take a blank one. So once the page is created, we can put a banner, and let's choose a picture for it. We can choose this one and let's insert it. Now let's add a text Webpart. And what you will see here is actually we have the Copilot button. What it can do is actually automatically rewrite or adjust according to some kind of style. So I have copied this text about SharePoint. I will paste it. And now if I go here, I can automatically review it. So just to show you what it's all about, Microsoft SharePoint Online is a cloud-based version of SharePoint, a web-based collaboration platform that can be used for strong and sharing content. So let's try to auto-rewrite it. So it's thinking, and it will actually provide me some option. So this looks quite the same. But let's see, we have additional possibilities. We can replace it, we can insert it below, we can regenerate, and we can adjust. Let's look for something else. This looks shorter. And let's look, here's another thing. Well, if we like it, we can, let's just replace it. So it has replaced it. Let's paste it again, and let's try this time to adjust. So we can change it according to all kinds of things. So it can be longer. So we will see that will take this information and make it longer. We can insert this actually below instead of replacing. And what else can we do here? So we can make it casual, and it will rephrase it in a nicer way. And we can regenerate. So it's coming to SharePoint, and actually it's currently only on the text Webpart, but it's very powerful. We can change it to professional. So here you can see a professional way. Let's see if we can make it engaging. Here is what we can see, and we can even make it creative. Of course, I didn't go through all of them, but you understand the idea. So here we see it gives it in a different way, and if we like it, we can replace it, and it can save us lots of time and money. So this is the new icon. Hopefully, maybe it will be available for sites and pages or anything else. But this is a peep, and if I find new things, I will, of course, make more videos. So thank you very much, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.